Hello, beautiful planner girls. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynn from Digital Plans. I'm so happy you are all here. I'm going to be doing my memory planner again. Yay. I'm so excited. I was a little bit sick, so I'm sorry if I sound a little bit off. I feel like way better, but it was like really crazy. I'm gonna be using this really cute kit from Florals stickers. It's called Lucky, I believe. I'll have like all the links down below as always for you all. And I'm gonna pair it with the Lucky foil in the ombre color. This is the same color as the Lord of the Rings foil bundle, and I just love this. It's so beautiful. I feel like it's gonna add, of course, that green, but a little bit of warmth with those like coppery tones. So I am super excited about these. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and start. I don't know where actually. I might go in here and just grab my my like big washi strips, which I love. These come in like all the new foil bundles, so it's just easy for you to like grab it and you know, swipe it all the way across, and that way you don't need to like worry about stuff. So that is really cute. I feel like this is gonna be a really cute like spread. So I'm gonna paste it and I'm gonna go like that to like mix it a little bit. So it's gonna go from like the green to the copperies, and then to the copperies to the green, and it's just gonna be like really cute. I'm gonna just like take it off. Okay, how are you guys? Because I was sick. I feel like a lot of people got sick. So weird. For like the season, I feel like nobody should be sick. Like, it's not full season. Like, why are we sick? But you know. Okay, that's gonna be really cute. I definitely want to start going with my deco beads. So I'm gonna go in here. Where are my washies? Now, these come with these really cute washi tapes, and they're really pretty, but I definitely like having doubles. So I just made, you know, some like regular blank little rectangles that I feel match really pretty with these kits. So I'm gonna be using them on top. We'll see how that works in a little bit. And also I kind of want to create my own headers for these with the foil and just like the colors in like the solid colors, if that makes sense. So down here, I don't know, 'cause I also have, I'm not like quite sure when I got these. Let me show you. Date covers are blue, which I thought was really crazy. But also I feel like every single time that I get a kit from Florals stickers, I'm like, why is she introducing this color into the kit? But then I do it all, and then I feel like, yeah, it is a really cute combo. So I'm just gonna trust the process for that. And I'm gonna do then the really pretty blue here as well. Let's just copy paste that same one. Okay, I feel like that's gonna be really cute with the foil on top, and kind of make it a little bit more balance between the blue that we're gonna put on top with date covers. So I kind of feel nice about that. Where am I? Hold on. What should I do next? I kind of want to start playing around with my colors. Where are these? Because I want to do, like I said, my own kind of headers. So I thought we'll do like this color here, this color here, you know, instead of just using the regular glittery ones, kind of mixing it up a little bit. I'm gonna use the blue. Are you guys doing anything for St. Patrick's Day? I honestly don't really celebrate it. It's not like a really big thing where I live. but I definitely love all of the like vibes and of course all of the cute kids and all of the stickers. So I kind of really want to use all of these. And you know, since I don't have anything like crucial going on this week, I thought I'll just do this really cute stuff and it's gonna look nice, I think. Okay, let's go into here, and then I feel like we could use these ones on top, and that's gonna look bomb. I think this is gonna be so cute. Okay, like how big do we want this? I feel like I'm gonna crop maybe one. That's really cute. Yes, this is the idea. This is what I wanted to do here. So I feel like that's gonna be really, really cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy paste these all over to like have all of my headers as well as my date covers. I'm gonna put those really quickly. I also kind of wanted to see, this came with like different girl options, but I just went with a redhead because how cute is she? I feel like I always go with the girl that looks like me, so I'm trying to like change that a little bit. But we'll see how that goes. Okay. I feel like I kind of want to put the dog on top. Let me check. Let's size these, and then we can do, oh, all the foil bundles now, the ones that are new, come with labels, with these labels right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use one of those. I kind of like the round edges, so I think that's gonna look cute here. And then we're just gonna use some dividers in here with the foil as well, and I think that's gonna look really cute. Okay, what are we thinking? I feel like this is going to be such a cute spread, and I was definitely not sure about the blue, but I'm kind of seeing it now. I think it's gonna look really cute. So I feel like we have nothing here. I don't know, I feel like, I don't know. I feel like this artwork has been out for a really long time and I'm just like using it. It's gonna be the forehead. And then I kind of want to do, I don't know which one I want to do there though. Maybe we can bring some of the blue here in the middle with these. That makes sense. 4 on 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be the blue color. Okay, I feel like that's really cute. Okay, what else are we doing? Yeah, this is really, really cute. I'm gonna go ahead really quickly and put, like I said, day covers and headers, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with these. I feel like, should we go up and down? I don't know, I feel like we're gonna go up here with this girl. Maybe we'll go all the way down here. Which one do I like? Maybe we'll do the purse. Shall we do that one? I kind of want to do the girls here. Okay, we're gonna do the girls. Cute. Then we shall go like these and then do double here. I feel like that's a good idea. I'm gonna do pancakes. No, I'm gonna do pancakes on top. How cute are these? These ones have like little charms on them. So cute. And then here we're gonna do more blue. So I feel like this one is a good idea to put kind of in the middle. Okay, that's nice. And then we're going to double here, either here or here. Maybe we'll do double in the bottom, which we have this one. I thought like this one was like a cute bakery or something, but it's probably a pub, isn't it? I don't know. Okay, that's cute. That's really cute. Okay, I'm really liking this bread. I definitely want to add another one of these, but I feel like maybe these ones here. Just gonna grab them. Like that. Pop them on top. Make them kind of different. Okay, there we go. That's really cute. Ooh, I really do like that. I definitely want to go ahead and add my frames as well, because these are going to be really cute. Let's go and like copy and paste some of these around. Which one do I want for the dog? Which other ones do we have? These two. I feel like, which one do I want to go for the dog? Okay, maybe this one, but with this on top. That's really cute. Yes, we like that dog. And then here, I'm gonna hold on a second because I kind of want to do some of these ones right here. These I think are gonna look really cute. The girls need like something like this. I think will be really pretty for these. And then we'll see, where can we put quotes? It could be either somewhere like these, which this will look cute with something like so. I definitely want to add something here. That's really nice. Okay, and then I definitely want to use this little quote. Oh, these two also. Okay, I have an idea. We're gonna use this one, which has these cute ones here, so we can do that, and then we can do here. Okay, now we're gonna crop them. We have this one right here, and then this on top, and that's gonna look really cute, I think. Like so. So cute. And then I definitely kind of want to do this one for the dog, but I don't think it's gonna look. It's kind of really cute. Cutest clobber in the patch. He definitely is, so I feel like it goes well there. That's really cute. Okay, I'd really like that. I feel like we could also like go ahead and grab these. Oh, I haven't used these. You know what? I think I know where I want to use it. I'm just gonna use it here in the label. Cute. I think that's perfect. I could have also used that on the actual St. Patrick's Day, but you know. Oh, we need our things here. I don't know which ones I want to use where. I feel like these will look really pretty down here. Yes, and then on top, I don't know what to do on top. That looks really cute. We could do either these or these on top, but I feel like these will look cuter. Let's just resize that. That's gonna match also our header, so I think that's gonna look cute. Okay. Just like that, super adorable, super cute. What am I missing? I feel like I'm just missing my day dots, aren't I? Another cute thing that these ones come with now are these day dots, and every single one has, of course, like a different matching one. Like this St. Patrick's Day have these clovers ones, and then I feel like the Valentine's Day had like little hearts on them and things like that. So just kind of like making them a little bit more fun. And I feel like now you get more stuff with every foil bundle, and you can like really make these match. You can also use these on your monthlies, which I really like doing that. I actually did that in my, hold on, in my February with the roses one. I think this looks so gorgeous, and I want to do this with the clovers here because I feel like that's gonna be really pretty. So yeah, just like a little idea, because I definitely want to like be able to use each kit that I like buy personally, you know, like if I go ahead and buy like some cute stickers, I definitely want to use them more than once. So I feel like that's the idea with the foil bundles, is that you can really reuse them as many times as you want. You can make your really any spread look different if you like change the foil. So you like just have options and more possibilities, and I just love that. So I feel like that is it. This is such a cute little spread. I do really enjoy it, and I feel like it's gonna be such a blast to just like add all the little things and having, you know, like the labels now with the foil as well. If you want to mark something really important, you can, you know, like the sidebar on like a special day. I feel like definitely for birthdays you want to use like a cute special foil. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I promise there's going to be so much more plan with me and tutorials and whatnot in the channel now that I'm feeling better. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you beautiful planet girls in my next video. Bye-bye. Got all the cash, Louis on my back.